New iOS 18.4 feature, you'll love chat faster from lock screen. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you iPhone users out there. Apple just dropped iOS 18.4, and tucked away inside is a super handy feature that's going to change the way you chat with your favorite people. Ever find yourself fumbling through your Messages app, trying to quickly get to that one important conversation? Whether it's your partner, your best friend, or a family member, those few extra taps can sometimes feel like an eternity. Well, say goodbye to that hassle! iOS 18.4 introduces a brilliant new action within the Shortcuts app that lets you create direct shortcuts to specific conversations right from your lock screen. Yes, you heard that right! One tap, and you're straight into the chat. Let's dive into why this is a game changer. The beauty of this feature lies in its simplicity and efficiency. Imagine this: you need to send a quick update to your significant other while you're on the go. Instead of unlocking your phone, finding the Messages app, and then scrolling through your contacts, you simply tap a button right there on your lock screen and boom, you're ready to type. Key benefits. But the benefits don't stop there. This isn't just about speed. It's also about focus. By creating these direct shortcuts, you bypass the main Messages interface, meaning fewer distractions from other notifications and conversations. It's perfect for those of us who value productivity and want to stay laser-focused on the people who matter most. Create the shortcut. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty and show you exactly how to set this up. It's surprisingly easy. Step 1. Open up your Shortcuts app. It comes pre-installed on your iPhone. Step 2. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on that to create a new shortcut. Step 3. Now, in the search bar at the bottom, type in Open Conversation. You'll see the action pop up, tap on it. Step 4. Tap Conversation in blue, then select the Messages conversation you want from the drop-down. Step 5. Once you've selected your contact, simply tap Done in the top right corner to save your shortcut. Easy peasy! Add the shortcut to lock screen. Now that you've created the shortcut, let's get it onto your lock screen for that one-tap access. Step 1. Long press on your lock screen until the Customize button appears. Tap on it, and then select Lock Screen again. Step 2. Look at the widgets area at the bottom. If you have existing widgets, tap the minus symbol on any of them to remove them and make space. Step 3. Now, tap the plus symbol that appears. Scroll through the options until you find Shortcut and tap on it. Step 4. You'll see a list of your shortcuts. Tap on the blue Choose button and then select the Open Conversation shortcut you just created. Step 5. Tap the empty space outside of the menu to get out of it. In the end, hit the Done button at the top right to finish, and you are all set. And just like that, you've got a dedicated button right on your lock screen to instantly jump into that important chat. How cool is that? But wait, there's more! This Open Conversation action isn't limited to just your lock screen. You can also add these shortcuts to your home screen for even quicker access when your phone is unlocked. You can even experiment with adding it to your control center for ultimate convenience. The possibilities are pretty neat. So, there you have it, a fantastic little addition in iOS 18.4 that can really streamline your communication. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below which contact you've set up a shortcut for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.